Good morning, students. I am Professor Priya Sharma, PC Department, SIRT College, Bhopal. Sage Anandam. So, this is our second lecture of our lecture series of the Digital System Design subject. Lecture 1 link has been given in the comment box. You can also go through it, which was on the number system conversion. Second, we are coming to the K-map simplification. So, basically, first of all, what is K-map? K-map is also known as the Karnaugh map, and it is a graphical technique for the representation and simplification of the Boolean expressions, which is a 2D form of the truth table drawn for the simplification of the Boolean variables. This is how the Karnaugh map uses some of the rules for the simplification of the Boolean expressions. Number first rule is the group may not include any of the cells which contain zeros. From the truth table, we can write the ones and the zeros in the K map, and we can group only the ones. Second rule is that group may be horizontal or vertical, but not diagonal. As you can see, these ones are in diagonal position, so you cannot group these. You can only group either the horizontally or vertically. The third rule states that group must contain 1, 2, 4, 8, or in general 2 to the power n cells. That is 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 2 is 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, and 2 to the power 3 is 8, and so on. So grouping are according to the powers of 2 only. That is, if n equal to 1, a group will contain 2 ones, since 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. If n is equals to 2, a group will contain 4 ones, since 2 to the power 2 is equals to 4. As it has been uh, explained to you through an examples, like grouping of 2 is allowed, but grouping of 3 is not allowed, as 3 is not a power of 2. 2 की power something is never equal to 3. So grouping of 4 is allowed, but grouping of 5 is not allowed. Here 4 ones and 1 here. So 5 1 of grouping of 5 ones is not allowed. Next rule states that each group should be as large as possible. Like here we have taken one example in which we have taken the 4 uh, uh, ones in a group. So we have make a quad over here and quad over here. We cannot make the pair of 3. Why? Because we have to make the group as large as possible. So these ones can be included in one quad and these ones can be included in another quad. So this is not right, this is right. Next rule states that each cell containing a 1 must be in at least one group. That means each of the 1 should be in one group. It is not possible to include the same one in other groups. Next rule states that group may not overlap. Groups may overlap, sorry. So here, two of the groups are overlapping. So this is allowed, but this is not allowed, as we have to previously stated the rule that the group should be of maximum number of ones. Next, groups may wrap around the table. That is also known as map rolling. Coming to the all the corners of the ones, if we roll the map horizontally and vertically, we can make a quad of all the 4 ones. So this, and this can form a quad. The leftmost cell in a row may be grouped with the rightmost cell, and the topmost cell in a column may be grouped with the bottom cell. So this is map rolling. This can be done. You have to look at this also, that the maximum number of ones should be included in a group, and it makes a maximum group by map overlapping. There should be as few groups as possible and as long as this does not contradict any of the previous rules. So to summarize the rules of the K-map, it states that no zeros are allowed in the K-map grouping. No diagonal grouping is allowed. Only power of 2 number of cells in each group should be there. Group should be as large as possible. Everyone must be in at least one group. Wrap around is allowed, overlapping is allowed, and fewest number of groups should be there. Now, how to solve this K-map? So first of all, sketch a K-map grid for the problem. Fill the ones and zeros from the truth table which was given in the questions. Then circle the group of ones. How to circle them? Circle the largest groups. Make of 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 or so on. First, minimize the number of circles, but make sure that everyone is there in the circles. Make sure that no one will be left without making a group. First of all, we'll discuss about the solving of K-map for the two variables, how to make it. So a two variable function will have four possible minterms. We can rearrange these minterms in the K-map as this can be written as x bar, y bar, x bar, y, xy bar, and xy. Using K-map, we use x on the vertical axis and y on the horizontal axis, and these are the possible combinations: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So for solving the K-map for the two variables, we can easily see that which minterm contain the common literals. Minterms on the left and the right sides contains y dash and y respectively, whereas the minterms in the top and the bottom rows contains x dash and x respectively. For three variable K-map, for possible combinations will be 8, lying from 0 to 7. So this is how we arrange 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Note here, students, that 1, 1 is over here, not here. As in the K map, only one digit is allowed to change. From 0, 0, it is 0, 1. So this digit is changed from 0, 1 to 1, 1. So only this digit is changed. From 1, 1 to 1, 0, only this digit is changed. It follows this rule. So please make sure that you make the K-map grid accordingly. So the values will be M0, M1, M2 over here and M3, M4, M5, M6 over here and then followed by M7. So this is the question which is given. We have given sum of product form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we'll mark 1 over these values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 as ones, and the remaining has been marked as 0. After grouping, we found that 3 pairs are there. To minimize these, we have to see that in this we are getting on x-axis as a bar, and in this we get b bar, c and bc. So b is changing from b bar to b. So we'll leave this and we'll write only c. So the minterm for this term 1 and 3 is a bar c, which is written here. Similarly, for this minterm, it is common for x-axis, it is a. And for y-axis, b bar is same, but c is changing from c bar to c. The variable which changes, we leave it, and the variable which remains the same, we'll take that. So we'll take b bar. So the minterm for this 4 and 5 variable function is a b bar. It is written here. Now, minterm for this is, as a bar is changing to a, so a bar a will not be there. Only b c bar will be there. So it is like this. This is how we write the minterms for after grouping and minimizing. For grouping of 4 variables, grouping of minterms is similar to 3 variable case, but we can have rectangular group of 1, 2, 4, 8 or 16 minterms. For 4 minterms, possible values will be 0 to 15. It will be written as this way: M0, M1, M2 and M3, M4, M5, M6 and M7. Now M8 is over here. As we write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and then 1, 0. So M8, M9, M10, M11, M12, M13, M14 and M15. Here one example is given for the simplification of K-map for 4 variable: M0, M2, M5, M8, M10 and M13. These are the minterms where we have to put 1. So at M0, M2, M5, M8, we have the blueprints we are getting. Getting is the minterms which we have to write 1, others we have to write the 0. So after pairing, we will get one pair of this of M5 and M13, and due to map rolling, we will get a quad over M0, M8, M2 and M10. After solving this, as you can see, the minterm for this will be x bar, x, y bar, z, and the minterm for these map rolling will be x bar, z bar. This is a question which is being solved, and you can see how the minterms has been written. For this, as C and D are changing, this is a quad of quad having 4 ones grouped. So here the only minterm will be AB. So it is A bar B. This is written for this quad, as A is changing from 0 to 1, B is constant. So B will be there in the minterm, and for these two layer, as C is same and D is changing, so we'll leave D and we'll go with C. So minterm for this is B, BC. For this pair, as A is not changing, so we'll include A. It is C bar D. It is written here. I hope so. Now you can write the minterm of all the grouping. Grouping is clear to you how we group the ones. Diagonal grouping is not allowed. Map rolling should be in mind while grouping. So that's all. In case of any doubts or any queries, please do write on the comment box. The link for the lecture first, which was on number system conversion, has been described on the comment box. Also, please do write on the comment box whether this video was helpful to you or not for clearing the doubts of the K-map. Thank you. All the very best. Work very hard and do best for your exams. Thank you, students.